Today on Canvas Crusade, we are diving into the world of text masks in Canva. Get ready for an exciting tutorial where we'll explore techniques like clipping masks, text animations, and much more. Let's start with a quick preview of what you're about to create. Let's kick things off by setting up our project in Canva. Opt for a video format. You can do this by selecting the video option or hitting the video button right on Canva's homepage. Our project today, Text Masks Video. First up, creating our text. I'm choosing the bold impact font from Canva's library, making the text larger to stand out. Next, we'll add a square shape, larger than our text, and position it right behind our text for contrast. Change the text color to white, and we're all set to download this as a PNG image. Once downloaded, re-upload it to Canva and add it to a new slide. Time to make our text pop. Use the Canva background remover to achieve transparent text. Then, to switch the color scheme, we'll utilize the Duotone tool in Canva, setting both colors to black for a striking effect. Next, add black squares to cover any remaining white background. Download this design as a transparent PNG and re-upload to Canva. Follow these steps for any additional text elements. Once all words are ready, it's time to bring in the videos. In Canva Elements, search for a video, for instance, woman riding horses at beach. After choosing your video, let's edit. First, a 2-second clip without text, then a 3-second segment with our text. Use the split function to trim your video. Then overlay the PNG text image. With your text image selected, click Animate and choose Stomp for a dynamic entrance. Repeat these steps for the rest of your text and videos. For a creative twist, try flipping your last video and applying the epic filter for a dramatic finish. Now let's add seamless transitions. Hover between slides to see the transition icon. Click it and select Match and Move for a fluid look across your presentation. To download your video, hit Share, ensure the file type is MP4 and then download. Thanks for watching our tutorial on Canva's Crusade. Check out our next video tutorial on the screen now. If you enjoyed this, remember to subscribe and like our channel. See you in the next video. Take care.